That looks like a nice freaking blue.
Oh,
that's a star sapphire right there. Oh wow, look at that diamond ring.
What's up, guys? Stixx Picks here. We're here with another video. We're here at the freaking storage unit. As you can tell, we paid $2,300 for it, and I think someone broke into it. You said, right?
They claim the owner, but they don't know.
They apparently broke in, took some things, and full as heck. So we're gonna get a lot of stuff for you guys. Let's hope we find something good. And look what we found in here. Oh, some coins, guys. These are all dollar coins too, actually. I thought these were 50-cent ones.
So crazy. Like, this is just death, top to bottom. Look at that.
Look at it.
That's like 30, 40 bucks in Bakelite, all those pieces there.
What's Bakelite? I don't even know what the frick that is.
It's like, I don't know how to explain. Comment below, guys, if you can explain Bakelite. Oh, look at that.
Woo!
There's no stone to be unturned in here. She had a store. She sold it at an antique store. Oh, look at that one. I bet you that's 100 and something bucks.
This is 14K. A matching one.
Oh! That's 14 karat. Don't show Jess that one, please.
I'm going to it first.
You guys don't even realize what we're looking at.
I don't.
Bakelite for days. I'm so juiced. Like,
this is just didn't even look like a jewelry box. So let's find a box that looks like it's full of jewelry. As you guys just saw, that was literally like the first box we pulled out that wasn't really gone through yet. The front couple of like boxes already gone through. Look how many boxes we have left. And we have a bunch just laid out back there. I'm not sure how long this unit is, but it looks like we have a lot more to go through. We opened this box and it looks like it's some random decoration stuff. I don't even know what the frick this is for. Let's keep opening, let's see. Cool little angel figure. Is that like a candle inside? Oh, it's like a light on the inside. It's not an actual candle. Nice little hummingbird.
That's a Fenton piece right there, Michael.
Fenton.
We will set that aside. Where's the other piece to that?
A Lego figure in here too.
That is freaking dope. You know who that is?
Who is that, Ted?
That's Dean the Duck right there.
Dean the Duck?
Yes.
Formalities. This unit seems to have a lot of like older toys and stuff. Some Pez and just some random like Disney dolls. They really like to seem have like Disney. We have a bunch of Disney pieces and dolls and just stuff like that. Look at that. It's like a cool little lunchbox or like a pencil box. A lot of older Mickey stuff too. I'm not even sure its value, but look at this, can be worth some good money. New in box Disney little clubhouse thing. Actually not new in box, but it's like it's sealed. So full of like dolls and stuff. I'm not sure if they're American Girl dolls that say on the bottom or something. A bunch of these dolls now. And all the accessories. Look, we got a bunch of boots and switch them. Actually, I don't know if these boots go with that. It's a little bit small.
You want to do that for the yard or something?
No, but that's probably worth money.
Solid bronze collection sets.
These are. Sadly, they're not like special. They're just they're just tokens. Right. But that's still cool. We'll set that aside. I mean, they're worth a couple bucks.
It looks like it's a box of quilts under here.
No, just a whole box.
Whole box of quilts. So we'll probably end up keeping these, right? Nice little kids quilt, little baby quilt. They seem really like Donald Duck. About Donald Duck memorabilia. They kept this freaking orange juice with Donald Duck on it. Dang, what the frick? It is full of pins. Kings, okay, these are they're sports ones.
Those are all Disney, these are all...
Yeah, Giant, 1993 Giants, Rockies. What the heck, I wasn't expecting this to be full of these little sports pins. Kings, 1988, 99. Most likely end up just putting that whole thing on whatnot. There's really some water in here, guys. Can I drink that water?
I don't know, but I want to set it aside, so.
That's pretty cool.
These were what coins were, and you see that?
Ooh.
Whenever you find coins or jewelry, I want to hear that noise.
Ooh.
That right there is
like 30 bucks?
20, 30 bucks.
Donald Duck.
Oh, Michael, look at that.
It's pretty dope. Mickey. They love freaking Disney, guys. As you can tell, get more Disney stuff. Over here, they got a little jewelry box right there. Oh.
You see gold in here too.
I think I may too.
No. It says Monet.
Oh, so this is this costume?
I think so.
What about vintage hairbreadths? Where'd you guys sell those? I'm gonna pass on them, but I'm just curious.
Oh!
looks real now.
Looks like real brass, but these
That
look
could
real.
be crazy.
Look at that.
It's gonna be a lot of money, couldn't it?
I'm not sure. Because I don't know. I just...
These are
Oh,
silver.
this one just says
Those are.
$7.90 on the back.
Okay. Look
Ooh,
at that.
that's nice.
Dang, is that native?
That is Native American.
Double
looking
native.
sterling. Oh, wow. We'd have probably just found $100 right there.
Bam.
And then this right here looks like it's very expensive. Look at that Bakelite Mahjong, guys. This is uncanny type stuff.
Bum, bum, bum. Woo.
They got the box.
Okay. Dang, look at that. That looks pretty sweet. Put some jewelry in there, maybe.
Wow.
Oh my God, it keeps going. It keeps going. That's a long, it's Bakelite you said, right?
I think
so
that
long
is Bakelite. Does
Bakelite.
it feel cold?
Yeah.
If it's cold, it's stone, and if it's heavy, Bakelite's more gonna be warmer because it's plastic.
I gotta say, it's not like super cold. It does have some coldness to it.
Sometimes it's illegal.
Illegal?
I don't
dang.
know when, but this right here screams money.
Okay, some NASCAR in the box. Some money. I'm a yo-yo master, guys. Oh, I messed up already.
You gotta whip it out there. Do you want me to show you?
All right, guys, I got a freaking stupidly heavy box. What's in here? Oh my. An old barrel.
That is pretty interesting. I don't know what it's made of, but it's made to look like opal.
I like the way it looks.
I like to keep a box next to me to load the junk into. That's a piece of coral.
That's a coral piece.
Yes, this is literally from the Antarctic Ocean.
How do you know it's from that ocean, huh?
Michael, I'm a
You're saying the expert?
I'm a
Oh.
coral specialist. This one right here, Baltic Sea,
The Baltic Sea.
roughly 1820.
How do you tell? Just like the coloring or like?
It's not really something I could teach. You know what I mean? Like it's after years of experience and just the rough handling and the first visibility, like coloration and stuff like that. It's really it's like if you get deep down, you can count the amount of speckles in each one. It's kind of like the rings on a tree, and that's how you date it.
Ooh, looks pretty dope.
That looks almost like a what's this? There's a sticker on it. I was gonna say it looked fentany.
Look fentany.
Oh my
A
gosh!
big
look at
one.
this
That's a big piece of coral. What is that?
Yes, I'm not even gonna tell you. This one's so rare. But it was this guy's home.
Oh, it's Patrick Star.
That is a Satsuma. That's kind
It
of
goes
cool.
in this.
See, Satsuma.
A giraffe with it. Looks like a candle stand. You put a little candle on there or something. Look at that. Does that look like silver? Or no?
That's a foo dog.
A food on.
It's got an interesting little mark down there, so you can get in and see the Chinese writing.
She was trying to sell up at 35. A
Yeah,
while
but-
back.
Yeah, in probably 1973.
Oh, is it
Ooh.
real gold though?
I don't know. Look at this.
Oh, whoa. That looks fancy.
It doesn't say.
I got a full box of stuff that's wrapped up. This year is cool because this type of box isn't like a bad box. Like when you find this, usually it's full of this normal glassware, you know? But this kind of has some cool stuff. It could be a bunch of Disney things. Okay, 2 different colored boots. That's kind of cool looking though. No, that is just like, oh, a Fenton hand-painted boot by Frederick Rose. There's really a whole box of boots. Another different colored boot. If we open one more into boot, then we're not opening anymore. It is. That one's kind of cool, actually. I like the color of it. But it looks like the box full of boots like that. Big old box of freaking Japanese, like, figures. Not like dolls, even. I guess they could be dolls. I wonder if these can be valuable. I have no idea. They look kind of cheapish, but at the same time, they still could be worth some money. They're very dusty. Holy crap. DVDs. They did find like some games at the beginning of this year, didn't you? So maybe there could be some more. They found a Super Nintendo or something, so there still is a chance to find something like that. Whenever I open boxes of DVDs like this, I'm hoping to find some games at the bottom with it.
That is. I don't think it's worth anything, but it's definitely old.
Like handmade necklace. Nice little beaded King's necklace for any Kings fans out there. What's that?
What's in there?
What is in here? Ba, ba, ba. Nothing.
It's nice though. Whatever these are, there's a lot of pins.
Some baseball pins in there, see?
You see baseball pins?
I think I saw a couple. You saw a little Atari manual, just there could be an Atari in here.
What is that?
Disney, The Hunchback of Notre Dame. It's a good movie. I liked it.
That held something we have. Leave no stone unturned, I say. Look at that. Parker pens.
Look at those Parker pens. Ooh. Some bags. Dooney and Burke.
Dooney and Burke.
We've handled some Dooney and Burke before.
What you know about Dooney or Burke?
I don't know any of
These
those
are
guys.
vintage. I can tell you that right now, which
They're
makes them
vintage.
sought after for that reason.
Ooh.
Usually you could tell by the indicative tag right there.
All right, all right. Two. It's like at least like 4 or 5 in here. It's like a lunch. It's like a lunch
Oh, wow.
pail.
All
That
vintage
D&B.
ones.
That D&B.
Yeah. And don't underestimate the quality, and this is how people like their vintage Doonies, you know?
Here's another one.
Ooh.
Oh, yes, the duck bag. Then we got some floaters in here.
Box of like random like plates like this. Warabi no Haiku limited edition Fukuwaga porcelain. There's like 4 of them in here. Plus facial tissue that she never opened because Donald Duck, of course. What is that? That's pretty cool. Just had a $5.
It's like an old Japanese stamp.
Oh, yeah. It's like unusual. They have the plastic on everything. That looks still like kind of like wet. Like you can use that right now.
It's just a bag of bags.
No, it just says Express. I thought it was silver.
That looks goldish almost. And once you see that, so here, usually when you see the string, that's gonna mean not.
Yeah, it just says nobody's go with
But
string, right?
you don't know if she puts it in a bag, it could be good. Yeah, hold on a second.
Rings and things.
Look. Gold
Gold
ring.
for days.
Look at this one. Look at these garnets. This one looks, nope, 10 karat.
10 carats.
Yep.
That's a lot of carats.
Look at this one. Heavy.
How heavy?
It's probably 8 grams.
Oh my, there's more.
That one, I can't tell. It has, oh, yep, it says 14 karat. Look at.
Nice.
Yeah, I like gold, Jessica. That looks like a nice freaking blue.
Oh!
That's a star sapphire right there. That could be money right there. Oh wow, look at that diamond ring.
Diamond, whoa.
That's not even the beginning, guys.
Oh,
I mean,
there's so much more in here.
see now I could see in the light gold, not gold, silver. This one's definitely gold. The brooches are pretty hot right now, so don't underestimate it. This
Actually,
one
this one looks like a little costume. Baggage.
this is heavy.
Ooh. Whoa.
Silver plate. Sterling silver. Oh, look at that one, Michael. You just hit the same thing I did.
Just pull it all out together.
I don't know.
I'll put mine right here. This is mine. Let's trade.
I'll trade you right now. Sterling silver, Native American. Look at that. That's
Ooh,
actually
10
kinda
carat
cute.
it says on there. Oh, whoa. Is that?
Wow.
Is it?
I think it's quality.
I think it's diamond?
Oh, yeah, look at that. Look, read the words inside.
Dang. Oh my freaking frick. Oh.
Look at all that.
Whoa.
What's in these ones? One looks like gold.
14K? As you can see, look at that freaking safe wide open. It's just left open for us. We have all this stuff on the ground. Look at this. I'm not going to really go through all of it. You guys check out my dad's video, The Pirates. He got a good view of all of this. I'm just going to give you guys a little recap. Look at that. Look at all these freaking gold rings, gold bracelets, gold everything. There's so much gold and silver right here. And now it's like our second little van of jewelry. There's a lot of jewelry in here. We found some cash. Look at like $6 in cash. But mainly we got a bunch of gold. Those gold bracelets might be the peak of it. I don't know. There's a lot of gold though. I see there's some silver right there. There's so much to go through. Check out the Pirate though if you want to look at all of pretty much it in depth.
Gold and diamonds. Look at that.
How much do you think is right here? If you just can estimate.
Am I scrapping it or selling it?
I mean, just what do you think you can get for it?
I think this pays for the storage.
Just this stuff right here. I was talking about everything. But
Oh,
right
I
here,
couldn't
this
even
right
fathom.
All right, guys, we're at the end of the video. If you've watched this far, you watched the whole thing. Thank you guys so much for watching this far. Put a heart in the comments if you watched this far. Peace out.